What's up, online shoppers? If you are looking to add a touch of elegance to an outdoor table or maybe one of your patio steps, you've got to check out this absolutely adorable solar lantern that I ordered. Now this one here is made of a powder cast black metal. It throws the most gorgeous warm yellow white light. Now look at this. It is so pretty. Now there's no glass in the construction of it. It's simply metal with this really pretty floral relief pattern cut out and the solar top. Now the solar top pries off with a little bit of effort. It's held in by clips. You can see the inside has kind of like a gold paint to it, which is going to translate out really pretty. And here is the solar unit. This is going to harness the power of the sun after it's been out for 6 to 8 hours of sunlight. And then at nighttime, it's going to give you 8 to 10 hours of solar light. There is a little LED on the bottom and a switch to turn it on. Now the only thing you have to do is take this out of the box, remove the top, turn the light on, and place it back inside. I'm just going to cover the solar panel so that we can mimic nighttime, and I'm going to show you how pretty this is. It throws a beautiful little light pattern here all the way around the perimeter of the globe. Really beautiful vintage inspired leaf pattern that's crafted from this metal material. These intricate cutouts add sophistication, but also they throw shadows when it's illuminated, and I think it's super pretty. It's a cozy, warm, inviting atmosphere. Now when you have these little solar panels like this, all you have to do is make sure it gets enough light so that it can then give you back 8 to 10 hours of this beautiful little pattern. I love that it's solar powered because there's no wiring or electricity costs, and it is built to withstand the elements. It is waterproof. It doesn't matter what weather conditions. If you leave it outside and there's a light drizzle or a humid evening, these are built to last, and they are going to give you beautiful illumination throughout the seasons. It's a nice compact size, so you can easily use it as a centerpiece on a table or tuck it in the corner on a patio step. Give beautiful light and patterns. You can hang it from a tree branch. You can put it on a tabletop. There's so many different places that you can use this to bring an elegant, warm touch. The warm glow is something that's going to enhance any of your nighttime settings, and it's a great idea for a gathering, romantic evening, or just enjoying your quiet night. This is a beautiful accent piece to add. That's why I ordered it, and it's already a family favorite at my house.